Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the ZkSync era airdrop. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow, and please note that none of this is a financial advice. Now I feel that the ZkSync era airdrop should be soon and we can expect some good news from ZkSync era ecosystem. So before we move on to the ZkSync era airdrop, I will be doing one giveaway on Twitter. So most probably I will be giving away one NFT on maybe ZkSync or Solana or maybe ADA. So you can follow my Twitter page in order to participate in different giveaways. So there would be a lot of giveaways in the future. I have recently did one giveaway which was my first giveaway. Now with regards to ZkSync era airdrop, Binance has recently announced their first ZkSync era airdrop. So basically it's not for the ZKS token, but whatever dApps are there on ZkSync era ecosystem, for example LiFi. So LiFi is basically a bridge between Solana and EVM. Then there is SyncSwap and ZeroLand and CryptMes. So I'm sure most of you must be already farming SyncSwap and ZeroLand era airdrop. And if you are not, you can go ahead and farm them, because I think this should be the decent airdrop. Now I'm checking my mobile phone and my Binance app over here, and I can see that close to 14,000 people have already participated in the ZkSync era airdrop. So let me go ahead and get into more details over here. So for LiFi, there is a swap task over here. For basically 2000 users would be eligible for this airdrop. For SyncSwap, only 400 users would be eligible, and the single transaction is around $100. For ZeroLand, it's a different thing altogether. You must be farming ZeroLand airdrop, and you must have Pith network tokens staked, and there are a lot of them. There are referral benefits and things. So I will leave all the links in the description. You can go ahead and check it. And then there is CryptMes. So for those who don't know, CryptMes basically has an NFT collection, which is currently the blue chip NFT collection on the ZkSync era ecosystem, and this is their website over here. And they also have a game which is called as Rhino Madness over here. So as you can see, they have this roulette where you have the chance of winning the Moodymite NFT and some other meme coins and some car skins in game thing. And they also have something called a staking madness, which would be coming in the future. So with regards to ZkSync, as you can see, we can see some positivity on ZkSync era Twitter over here. So as you can see now, currently ZkSync is tweeting ZkGM, although this doesn't mean anything, but we can see some positivity. So hopefully we can see maybe some governance news on ZkSync era, or maybe airdrop checker. I'm not sure of it, but we'll need to wait for the official announcement from the team. And now Alex has also tweeted on this tweet over here. As you can see, he has tweeted that ZkGN, which is good night. And there is another news, like Sebastina, who is a part of ZkSync era ecosystem, has currently resigned from ZkSync era network, and he will be forming his own chain, which is called as Sophon chain. And he will be leaving ZkSync basically at the end of April. Now I'm not sure whether the airdrop will happen before April or not, because once again it's totally up to the team, and we have been waiting for very long for the ZkSync era airdrop. Hopefully it's soon, because we are moving closer and closer towards the airdrop, although we don't have any official news yet. We are just waiting. Hopefully the team does it soon. And with regards to Sophon over here, there is this website of Sophon. There is nothing much to do over here right now, except for connecting your wallet, which I have connected and I have registered for Sophon. Now I am not sure whether there would be an airdrop for Sophon as well in the future, but if there is, then maybe I might go and participate in the airdrop. And the last thing is basically you can go to GRVT. Now GRVT is the first official DEX chain which is supported by ZkSync era ecosystem and Matter Labs, and currently it's available on invitation basis only, because there are more than 2.2 million people that are waiting. Now if I go ahead and refresh, let me check if someone has use my referral code or not. So as you can see, currently I have quota for 2 referral codes. So I will leave this link and the referral code in the description. Whoever wants to go ahead and sign it, you can go ahead and sign it. Now after 2 days I will be getting 2 more quotas, so I will let you guys know, and you can go ahead and sign if you want to. So this should be one of the biggest DEX on ZkSync era, hopefully in the future. So this is all for this video, and this is the reason why I personally feel that ZkSync era airdrop should be good and it should be soon. So once again, none of this was a financial advice. Do your own research, and this is all for this video. In case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.